snag it from my favorite thing. So I'm on my way to pick up my Multi-Pochette Accessoires. So I had some money left over from the credit that I got from my Pochette Matisse, which was deemed defective. So I've been sort of using that on little things. But when this came out, I thought this would be perfect because it looked like, I've never seen it in person, so I don't know how it's going to be, but it looked like it was going to be like you could wear it multiple different ways. And I thought what I would do is to go over there, and my sister's going to go meet with me. I'm going to have to inspect it. Unfortunately, that's how it is in Louis Vuitton now. I'm going to have to make sure that it's okay. I didn't know that it was going to come today, and I have an annual appointment for Boomer this afternoon. So I'm actually taking him to the Louis Vuitton store. I hope they let me take him in. If not, my sister is going to have to hold on to Boomer, because I'm taking him because if I don't make it back in time, I might just have to go stop by at the vet office on the way back. So I have the Pochette Accessoires, new model and the old model. So I wanted to compare the sizes. I mean, part of me is like, do I really need this item? And the whole thing is $15.50 plus tax. So what I did is, because I have store credit, or I have a gift card, I guess, and I could only use a gift card at the Louis Vuitton store and not online. But this was released online first, and when it's being released at the store is when I'm going to be in Portugal. And my husband and I are going to Azores or Azores. I don't know how you really pronounce that, actually. I should know because this is our second time going over there. But on the day that they release it, at the store where my sales associate could order, I will not be here. And I know this is a very limited item, so I asked him if I can order it online and then go pick it up at the Louis Vuitton store, and then when I pick it up, do a refund because I paid everything on my credit card, and then repurchase with my gift card. And that's what I'm doing. He said I could do that, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then hopefully I'll love it. I don't know if this is a waste of money or what. But I do have the Pochette Accessoires, which is why I don't know if this is a waste of money or whether it's a good deal or what. We'll see. Okay, I'll show you what it looks like, and then let me know what you think. Let me know if you think I'm wasting my money or whether you think it's a good purchase. Hello. Okay guys, I have returned from Louis Vuitton, and here it is, this Multi-Pochette Accessoires, and I'm going to unbox it and show you the items and how it looks, and here it goes. Okay, so that's great. So I don't have a round coin purse, now I do. I can just wear it like this. I suppose I can put something in here, and you can hang this up. I can put my phone out in the front, my large phone, and like this. This is at the shortest length, okay? Okay, so this is the big pouch that comes with Pochette Accessoires, Multi-Pochette Accessoires. There's also a pocket. This is my Pochette Accessoires new model. If I look at it, this one is slightly larger if I line it up, but it is thinner. It is thinner. See? Okay? So that depth is much narrower than my Pochette Accessoire. Let me compare this to my old Pochette Accessoire. It's about the same as the old Pochette Accessoire, but of course it's much bigger. Okay? There you go. It's bigger. It's taller. I feel like it's a little bit taller and a little bit wider by about that much. Okay, and then this one is the mini pochette size. I don't have a mini pochette, but obviously this is bigger than mini pochette because my phone fits into it, and I know mini pochette does not fit my iPhone, the larger iPhones. So this is the old Pochette Accessoire, old model, and this is what comes in this thing. Okay. Okay, here are the measurements. The length of this, the very longest length, if I go from end to end, let me just measure it for you. I'm gonna just, from the end of the clasp, it's like 45 inches, I think. Yeah, 45 inches from one end to the other. And then when it's the shortest, then I measure it. It's 30 inches. All right. And then a strap drop at the shortest is it's about 14 inches. And then strap drop at the longest setting. About 22 inches, I think, 22 inches. And then as far as the measurements of these, this is, okay, about 9.5, maybe a little more, 9.5. The height is, I'm gonna do it from where this ends, so like that. The height is about, I don't know, 5.25. And this one, on the depth, I'm gonna do it from the about 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches. This one, from here to here, I'm gonna do it from here to here to the end. It's about 8, probably, just a little less than 8. And this one is, so I'm gonna do it from here to here, although it probably fits more. It's 4.5 inches about. And the depth, it's about 1 inch. And then the round coin purse, the diameter of it approximately is 3.5 inches, maybe slightly more. Okay. All right. Slightly more than 3.5 inches. Okay, this chain which comes with this item, you're only able to hook it up to the smaller pochette because the smaller pochette has this little clasp. The larger pochette has the D-ring, so you need to get a different kind of chain, or you use the long strap that it comes with. But you can get a small, different kind of chain to hook it onto here. But it won't work with this. Okay, this video is all over the place, but I just wanted to get a quick video out there to show you what this really looks like. And okay, I hope this was helpful. If you like this video, please give this a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel and clicking the bell notification so that you will be notified when I upload more videos. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.